everyone! The year of the rat begins on February 4th, 2020. In order to improve the fortune of the year, including health, money, career, and love, we need to diminish the bad energy and bring up the good energy. Here are some suggestions for Feng Shui arrangements to balance the flying star of the year. Let's stand in the middle of our home or office, use a compass and find out all 8 directions within the premises. They are north, south, east, west, northwest, southwest, northeast, and southeast, plus the middle section. During the year of the rat 2020, the theft star falls in the middle area. We suggest putting a metal vase 2/3 filled with water to minimize chance of robbery, injury, and money loss. Fortune star falls in the northwest. We suggest putting some red decorations to bring up the entire fortune, luck, and health. The quarrel star falls in the north. We suggest putting up some red decorations to minimize the chance of argument, gossip, and litigation. The relationship star falls in the northeast. We suggest putting up some floral arrangements to bring up the popularity, interpersonal, and love relationships. The calamity star falls in the east. We suggest to leave this area inactive and put a noise-making metal arrangement to minimize sudden change, disaster, misfortune, and accidents. The power star falls in southeast. We suggest putting 8 pieces of rock or a name chalk to strengthen the leadership, administration, and management power. The signal star falls in the south. We suggest leaving this area inactive and put a 6-inch brass cord or noise-making metal arrangement to diminish the signal's energy to maintain health. The study star falls in the southwest. We suggest putting 4 stalks of bamboo plants in water to obtain a clear mind and creative thinking. It also benefits schoolworks, tests, and office's paperwork. The happiness star falls in the west. We suggest putting a soil-based plant to bring up the occasions related to celebration, happiness, and joy. I also have 9 other videos which explains and go into more detail on how to do better arrangement for each star in each directions. I hope everyone has a wonderful year of the rat. If you like our metaphysics information, you can subscribe at the link below.